Meaning of drop-down menu.
Drop-down menu.
Drop-down menu.
Drop-down menu.
Drop-down menu. A drop-down menu is a graphical user interface element that presents a list of options when activated by a user. When the menu is selected, a list of choices is displayed in a box or pop-up window below the main menu. The user can then select an option from the list by clicking on it. Drop-down menus are frequently used in software applications and websites to save screen space and simplify navigation. They are particularly useful in situations where there are many options or sub-options that cannot all be displayed at once.